Hello boys and girls. Today we are working on lesson 51 in our Saxon math, and it said to draw a line segment that is 1 inch longer than the date line. Well, my date line is 3 inches, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Now it says 10 boys in the class have 2 cats each. 7 girls in the class have 3 dogs each. Use this information to make up a question. Write a number sentence and find the answer. This is up to you. I can make up my own. I might ask the question, are there more cats or more dogs? I might ask, how many cats are there or how many dogs are there? Shade the thermometer to show the temperature which water freezes. Now we have already spoken about this. If you don't remember, you can look it up, but it is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just go to 32 and I shade down. Number the number line by tens. So if I'm skip counting by tens, it goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Approximately where is each arrow? Well, I could say that's halfway between it. So what's halfway between 20 and 30? 25. Now this one, if this is halfway, if that's 45, I would say that's, what? 42? 43? Somewhere around 42-ish, maybe. I might even say about, because I don't know for sure. Well, this would be 55, and this is closer to 60, so I know it's going to be above 55. Let's say it's about 58. No, I don't know for sure, but it says approximately, so you don't have to know the exact number. So, find the answer. Whoa, this looks scary, but it's not. I encourage you to find easy numbers. I know 9 plus 1 equals 10. I know 4 plus 6 equals 10. So that just leaves 3 and 2. So 2 tens, 3 plus 2 is 5. So my answer is 25. How many times does 10 go into 8? I know you haven't really learned how to divide, so that's what you need to think of. How many times do I multiply 10 to go into 8? Well, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 8. So 8 times 10 equals 80. 80 divided by 10 is 8. Just like when we do those fact families with addition and subtraction, you can do a fact family with multiplication and division. The fact family for this would look something along this lines. 10 times 8 equals 80. The commutative property, 8 times 10 equals 80. Then you do the reverse. You start with your total, and then you divide it by 10, and you divide it by 8. And you'll notice I use different symbols. These both mean division. These both mean multiplication. 29 plus 40, this is mental math. This is mental math because all you have to do is think of a tens place. Your answer, using the identity property, will go in the tens place. So 16 times 1 is 16 tens, or 160. this is mental math. And then we're going to find easy numbers. I see a 7 and a 3. I know that makes 10. I see a 5 and a 5. I know that makes 10. So 2 10s and 8 1s. 4 times 7. You should know this by now. If you don't, you're going to have to draw a picture. You divided it into fourths and you put 7 in it. I know that everybody can skip count by 5s and then just add 2 more. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8. 20 plus 8 equals 28. Once again, this takes a lot of time for something that you should already have memorized. Now here you go again with a fact family. How many times does 1 go into 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times. It's 7 p.m. Soccer began 2 hours ago. What time did soccer begin? So if it's 7, I'm going to draw my picture because sometimes a picture helps. It goes 12 here, 6 here, 3 and 9. 3, 6, 9, 12. You know, you skip count. So then there's 2 dashes here in between those. And if we say it started at 7, and then we're going to go back 2 hours. 1 hour, 2 hours. That makes it 5. 5 o'clock p.m. How much money is in each of these groups of coins? Well, 5 dimes is worth 50 because it's 5 tens, and 14 pennies. So 50 plus 14 is 64 cents. 2 dimes is 2 tens, and 31 pennies is 31 cents. That would equal 51 cents. Complete the pattern. While I'm looking, my pattern is going to go down, and we are going down by 8, 6, by 2. My pattern is getting larger. 11, 12, 13. 13, 14, 15. So by 2. And that concludes today's lesson.